Markets react to BJP's narrow victory, a disappointing day for investors. Unexpectedly, in yesterday's trade, our markets showed their love to the bears after the Bharatiya Janata Party (BJP) fell short of securing a clear majority. Nifty bulls also shrugged off the fact that the BJP-led National Democratic Alliance (NDA) still had a slim majority to form the government at the centre. Investors were disheartened as there was a total disconnect between exit poll predictions and the final results. Nifty's fall suggests investors are disappointed and disheartened. Please note, this election was never for 272 seats. Investors were actually hoping for Modi tsunami to cross 400 seats, which could ensure policy continuity. Yes, the new government may find it challenging to take bold policy measures confidently amidst a weaker-than-expected mandate for the BJP that may also slow down the India growth story. That was probably the prime reason investors were saddened even after NDA getting majority. Global cues are negative. In yesterday's trade, both FIIs and DIIs turned out to be massive net sellers to the tune of Rs 1,436 crores and 3,319 crores respectively. Sentiments for the day is likely to be risky. Market breadth for the day is likely to be neutral. Nifty's technicals are indicating a dark cloud cover candlestick pattern. Fanome month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 21,000 to 22,500 zone. India VIX is trading at 26.74 levels. Nifty PCR, 27th June, is at 1.10 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 26th June, is at 0.93. Nifty outlook: volatility is likely to be the hallmark of today's trading section. Nifty, CMP to 1885. Support, 21,500 to 21,300. Resistance, 22,100 to 22,300. Range, 21,300 to 22,100. Bias, sideways to bearish. Bank Nifty, CMP 469 to 9. Support, 46,500 to 46,300. Resistance, 47,300 to 47,500. Range, 46,300 to 47,300. Bias, sideways to bearish. News reports suggests that NDA is set to form government for third time. PM Modi tells BJP workers. The BJP-led NDA is on track to form the government but with a reduced tally as the Saffron Party falls short of the simple majority mark of 272 on its own. The surprise verdict puts BJP allies Chandrababu Naidu-led Telugu Desam Party and Nitish Kumar's Janata Dal, United, in the driving seat. The good news, WTI crude oil futures have dropped below the $73.50 per barrel, reaching their lowest point in 4 months after OPEC Plus announced a gradual plan to ease some of its oil production cuts. This week, all eyes will also be on the outcome of 3-day RBI Monetary Policy Committee (MPC) meeting to be wired on 7th June.